Hi guys, today I'm doing a very weird video. I don't think this is a thing people do, but I wanted to do it. Sorry about the lighting, it's just the way it's gonna be. I wanted to do a cleaning out under my bed video because I haven't done that in ages. Yes, I store things under my bed. Yes, I have a small house. That's the way the world works. I have lots of stuff under my bed and I thought we would just clean it out together. There's like a 99% chance I won't be getting rid of anything. Yeah, okay. First things first, let's dig underneath. Here we have wrapping paper, and it's the clear cardboard kind because I have no personality. Okay. Then I have a Christmas one that's very similar but has little trees all over it. That's obviously not going anywhere. So far so good. I have a case of water, so that's just gonna stay there because it's freaking heavy. Let's move on. Hi baby girl. Okay, I have a thing that looks like that with a ton of stuff in it. Let's go through this. We have this, which my sister gave me for my birthday last year. It's like a Halloween decoration. I have a drawing paper pad. I'm pretty sure I got this in high school because I wanted to draw. My god. I'm not going to show you. It's drawings of outfits that I used to do when I thought I could design clothes. I'm not showing you. It's so embarrassing. Oh my god. Post-it notes. When was the last time I saw one of those? Oh my god. A calculator. Oh my god. I wonder if this still works. It's from high school or college. When was the last time I ever touched a calculator? It works. I should sell this. Am I doing this wrong? I can't get it back. Okay. I have a glue stick. I have no sew fabric glue. I have a bunch of like string and ribbons for wrapping. Oh my god. I have a bunch of blank CDs. You never know when you're gonna need one of those. Am I right? It's 2018. Gold paints, hard as rock. I need to throw that in the garbage. And I have Mod Podge for when I do crafts and such, so I'm gonna hold on to that. There is so much cat hair in this thing. Yes, I'm this person. I have birthday cards and such, Christmas cards from people. I just hold on to them. There's probably like a dead bug in this bag. Oh my god, there's so much cat hair. We have a word search. Oh my god, colored pencils. I think that was to color in the fashion designs I thought I could do. More colored pencils. I think I bought one set because I forgot I had the other ones and then they were right where I went to go put the new ones. So, fun. Christmas tissue paper. Pencil sharpener, which is handy to have with those colored pencils. Some of these things that you use Mod Podge with. That was a dirty one. Stapler. Jeez. More of these and tons of pencils. Lead from mechanical pencils from high school, markers, Sharpies. So I think that a lot of this stuff is just going to go back in this. Now we have one of these clear containers that you probably had at the dorm. Let's look. Oh, this is Christmas decorations. Oh, okay. First I have this, which is a macaroon making kit. My brother got this for me for Christmas a couple years ago and I still haven't used it. I really want to. It has like all the stuff you would need to make macaroons at home. And I really want to do it. It has like a whole little cookbook. I had like a macaroon moment a couple years ago. Like I was obsessed with macaroons. And I really still want to do it. I don't know why I never did. I think I was just too lazy. Okay, I have all my Christmas decorations, this fake little tree, all the stuff that you've seen in the background of my videos. I can't show you a lot of this stuff because it has my hometown on it. A hat from middle school. Oh, I do have a rosary from my communion. I have the little purse from my communion that has like a little Bible in it and stuff. And I have my high school diploma, and I have my middle school diploma, and I have my high school yearbook, which I don't know why I got. There's one picture of me in it, and it's horrible. And then I have this, which I think I've shown you guys. It's like photos from the 8th grade dance. Can't show you the other person, but yeah, so that was kind of boring. I told you I wasn't good at getting rid of anything. So far I've got rid of a couple pieces of paper and some old paint. Another one. We have my laptop case. We have the container that my comforter came in. Lots of dust. Ooh. Okay, my iPhone box. I guess you just keep that, right? Okay, I have my laptop box. I should probably get rid of that. Wow. We have the Microsoft Office Student Teacher Edition from 2003. Wow. And this is the area where I have all my wires. Old camera that doesn't really work anymore. My first camcorder for YouTube. My second camcorder for YouTube. Like user manuals. And then I have a bunch of CDs in here. Graduation slideshow from middle school. One from my 8th grade dance. And then a bunch of like homemade CDs. This is a very anticlimactic video. I'm not really cleaning, I'm just kind of discovering what's been under my bed for the last 5 years. There's a laptop under my bed too, a very old one from Dell or something. So that was a very boring video. I apologize, but I hope that you maybe got inspired to clean out under your own bed and discover what's under there. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more from me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.